Hello guys, welcome to SS Education. This is Sumit Kumar Arya and I considering diploma civil branch in third semester. Today I discuss about the hydraulics and hydraulics machines. In this chapter, first chapter is given discuss. That means fluids, real fluids and ideal fluids. And 1.2 is fluid mechanics, hydrostatics mechanics and hydrodynamics mechanics and hydraulics. So discuss about the first 1.1 fluids and real fluids and ideal fluids. Means what? We know that fluid. What is fluid and types given. Fluid are three types: solid fluid, liquid fluid, and also gas fluid. But in this chapter, we have not discussed about the solid fluid, and as a discuss is liquid fluid and gas fluid. So first of all, what is fluid? That means fluids. Fluid may be liquid, gas. And next point, fluid is a substance which differ continuously under the action of shear force. No matter how too small it is. And next point, fluid is zero memory.